It's July 4th weekend, 2009, and Levi's going to sing us a special song. Go ahead.
God bless America, land that I love.
Stand
beside her and guide her
through the
night
with the
light from above, from the mountains to the prairies, to the oceans, but foam. God bless America, my home, sweet home. God bless America, my home, sweet home.
Yay! Good job. Can you say happy birthday, America?
Happy birthday, America!